There we go.
Oh, very close to an outside edge. Desperately close.
That was quick and straight. Look at that. Two step.
Oh, it's quite a beautiful bowling. That is brilliant stuff.
Right out of the ground. And it's going to be a long walk back to the pavilion.
Breeze Shoyeab Akthar. That is magical stuff from Shoyeab Akthar. Cleaned up first ball, Mark Waugh.
Well, match Shoyeab Akthar will be on a hat-trick. Look at it go in, bang, off the legs, onto the stumps. Rattle, Mark looks around. Oh, my dear.
Incredible cricket from Pakistan and Shoyeab Akthar. He's picked up 3 huge wickets in 1 over, and Pakistan is
Bowling full again.
but not close enough. Very close to the stumps. We'll try again, Shoyeab Akthar. Close. And given by...
Let's have a look at the tram lines. Just outside. Well...
Well bowled. Asked a question of it. He's given in.
Missed it completely. Middle stump out of the ground. Judgment by It's a typical VVS Lakshman's reaction.
And that is a very, very fine delivery. And for your first ball up,
Selectors have got a real question mark to solve.
Bowled him! Akthar, York.
Brilliant delivery. Absolutely unplayable, that one, even for the frontline batsman. And some swing in the air. Then...
And bowled straight through. So the short one for the first does what he does best.
The batsman of the caliber, Randra Simons, with a short delivery, and the next one, just a hint of reverse swing. Bang on the base of the off stump. The target was there. Timber gone.
Hart. Now he was dismissed in the first innings.
Through him. Bowled.
Shoyeab Akthar. Face of the young giants. Will he give him the bounce? Listen to that crowd. Good crowding. They know what's on here. Delivers 138.4. The ball at the rear end. 148.4.
Good pace, 151 k's. It swings in and it's right on the mark of middle and off. Ricky Ponting looking to play his favourite shot without the footwork we've been talking about. Tough job.
and the acid goes on the tail. Here's Akthar again. Left-handers, he wants to have a good look at the whole castle, all three stumps, wide of the stumps, tails back in.